Today I've got two products for you that are used for filling holes in wood. First, we've got the DAP Dry Decks. Now, technically, this product is a spackle, which is made for filling holes in walls. However, pro tip, I have found that this product works great on trim or finish carpentry that is going to be painted. This stuff goes on pink and dries white. That's why it is only good for surfaces that are going to be painted. Next up, we've got this plastic wood filler. This comes in a variety of colors. This is the natural color. This is a wood filler that actually has sawdust in it, so it is stainable. This is a product that I'm going to use on finished carpentry that has a gap or hole larger than 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch. Don't use the dry decks for bigger holes and gaps. It doesn't have any flex after it dries. You know the deal. Like, subscribe, hit the little heart, and do all the things. I'll see you in the next one.